Hello students. Today we are going to explain about Cohen-Sutherland clipping algorithm. In the last class we have studied about outcode, that is ABRL code or region code, in the last lab video. Today we are going to tell about which are the functions used in this OpenGL program. Before going to all the functions of the program, I'll just show you the output of this program. I think you can able to see the output of the program, where here in the below diagram in here you can see a rectangular window and a red color line. This red color line is the line which is passing through the window. Okay, and the second window you can see here, the window, the red color line, the red window, you can see the line is clipped off. The line is clipped off. So this is the algorithm to clip the line which is outside the window. Here, this is the extra line. This part is extra line and this part is again extra line. Now we will go for the functions which are used in this. Okay, now we will see what are the functions used in this. We are using 5 to 6 functions in this program. We will see one by one. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally there are 6 functions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First one is outcode. As in the previous video, we have seen outcode of the program. Okay, I'll just type here what is this outcode. Outcode is nothing but ABRL code. Okay, it is ABRL code. It is ABRL code, that is nothing but above, below, right, left, or one more name is region code, or one more name is area code, and finally you can say it as outcode also. These are different names for outcode, and outcode generation has been done in the previous video. That is the computation of outcode. That is the first function. Okay, second function. Okay, now we will go for second function. This is a first function is over. Okay, now we will go for the second function. Second function is void Cohen-Sutherland line clip and drop. So this one actually does the clipping of the program. Clipping, I think you have seen 2 diagrams in the output. Okay, I'll just draw it once again just for your reference so that you'll understand, for the better understanding. You can see here this is a rectangle. Okay, and in this rectangle I am passing a line. Now I am passing a line. I think this was the this is a line, you can see here this is a line. You should clip this line. You should clip this part and this part. Okay, that can be done. Okay, that can be done in the clipping line clip and draw. So there are totally 4 parameters: x0, y0, x1, y1. X0 is the this point, x0, y0, and x1, y1 is the one other point. So here you should clip this point and this point, and whatever line drawing inside the window, that should be displayed here. Okay, that should be displayed in the one more window. Here you should draw and show it somewhat like this. I'll just draw it. It will be like this. Here you can see line is clipped. Here line is clipped. This is the original input you are giving. This is the input where you are passing line as well as a rectangle. Here what is happening here is the line is clipped off. That this line clipping is done in this function, that is Cohen-Sutherland line clip and draw. Now we will come for the third function, draw line. Draw line is the function used to draw the line, that is this line. I am telling about this line. This line is there. Now you can see that this line should be given. Okay, let's consider if I give here 30, 30, this point. Okay, this one is 120, 120. Okay, that line drawing, okay, that function is this one, drawing the line. Okay, that is this function. Now, after this function is over, we'll go to draw rectangle. Draw rectangle is to draw this rectangle, this one, this rectangle. This rectangle is there, no? You can see this rectangle that is drawn using this function, that is draw rectangle, where you will have 4 points. You will have 4 points, that is this one, this one, this one, and this one. Then finally, one more function, okay, that is one more function is the display. Display is used for displaying this program. Here you are clearing the buffer. If you have any previous buffers are there, if you want to give the color and whatever the buffering, cleaning of the buffer, and if you want to give any 3D animation, anything 2D, 3D, clipping, okay, whatever the display functions are there, no, and clearing the buffers and initialization parts will be in this display. And init is for initialization of glut function. Initialization of a glut function is used in my init function. It is used in my init function. So I hope you understood all these 6 functions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the output of the program where you will pass the line, and here the line is clipped and shown like this. Okay, and further videos of this will be shown in next